Hello everyone, back with a video for a screen protector. This is the amFilm tempered glass screen protector for the iPad mini 7. So let's go ahead and check it out. Here I have the handy iPad mini 7. We'll go ahead and put on the screen protector. Move that over. Pick these up on Amazon. They actually range in price. I've seen them as low as $5 or $4.90 with a little coupon that was on Slick Deals, the Slick Deals app with a code. And I've seen them up to like $8, $9. There's 2 of them in each package, so that's that. Okay. Thank you for choosing amFilm. All right. And generally speaking, they're pretty cheap, and not only that, they're all the same. I don't spend more than you have to on a screen protector because honestly, they're all the same. Glass is glass is glass is glass. Now, some are easier to put on than others, but that might be the difference here. These do not have, this one does not have like the, basically the housing to put on. So you got to put this one on a little bit more manually, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. Okay, so let's get going here. Okay. What do you get inside? Some screen protector installation accessories. You get a little wipey installation guide with QR code. And you get a wet wipe and a dry wipe. And you get some stickers for dust removal, and you actually have a lifetime warranty on this, and techmat.com. All right. I don't necessarily do all that because it's a $5 thingy. What are you going to do? All right. So let's go ahead and wipe down the iPad mini. I usually use my own wipes, but we'll use theirs for this installation here. Okay. So it's pretty small. And this is why I usually use my own, because this is pretty tiny. Sometimes they come even dry. So this one's actually at least not dry. And let's go from here. Gotta make sure we get everything there. The mini's pretty small, so it doesn't require too much effort. Put that there, and then we will use this one here to dry it. Now it does have the dry wipe, but honestly the dry wipe, to me, you get more of the dirt off with the wet wipe and then drying it with the little one that comes with it. Okay, and we'll use some of these stickers. Now, these stickers are pretty small for an iPad, but we'll go ahead and use them anyway. Get any dust out of there. You can see a little bit of dust here and there. Oops, there you go. Okay, I see a little bit of something there, so let's get that off. Get your fingerprints off. It's kind of tough as the glass goes all the way to the edge there to get all the fingerprints off. And see, this is what I'm talking about. These ones here are pretty tiny, so unless you get some fine dust anywhere that you can see, always good to kind of look at it sideways. And there you have it. I think we're okay. If not, we'll have to do another one. So there's that. Let me bring this down a little bit here. Okay, there we go. So here is our glass. So it kind of comes in 2 here. So it has one side that has the sticky part. This is step 1, remove mask film. Okay, with the tab. So here's number 1. And then I suppose this is the second part. So actually this is the glass here. So it's going to come right off. And it gives you a little bit of a guide. So that's good in that sense here. Okay. And we'll go ahead and try to put that on as well as we can. Let me go ahead and get a little closer here. I'm going to come over the camera a little bit. And you probably can't see it as well, but as long as you line it up with the camera, I think you'll be okay. And just got to make sure it's lined up well. Okay, well, I did not line it up well. This is actually a little bit of a distraction, so I'm going to take that off and then reinstall it. Yeah, and the camera is much easier to see without that other one on top there. Okay. And just let it lay right on. And there we go. And it's gonna kind of, might have a couple little bubbles. You can just kind of work those out. They generally don't bother too much. Oh, so there we go. All right. Okay, and that's a little goofy there. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I might not have done it perfectly, but you can always work those out. And sometimes they just come out on their own. Now they usually have like a little kind of scrungy thing that kind of helps you get it out there, but this one doesn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use the box and just kind of move those on over. And they'll kind of eventually work themselves out. And oftentimes too, even if you just leave it a little bit, it'll kind of figure itself out there. I might have gotten a little dust in there, but that's okay. Not a big deal. So there you have it. Fits perfectly all the way around. And again, you can pick it up on Amazon for about $5 or $6. Just kind of depends on what coupons they got going on. But amFilm tempered glass screen protector. This one, amFilm, this one does not have the kind of housing to put over the iPad. That makes it a little easier, but you know, not gonna complain too much. It's pretty cheap. I got these literally with a coupon for like $4.97 for two. So $2.50 just to protect your screen. This does not have this does not have like anti-reflective coating at all. So putting a screen protector on it isn't gonna make much of a difference. Okay, that's it. I hope you're well. Hope your family's well, and take care of yourself. Bye.